Nollywood veteran actor, Kanayo O Kanayo has raised concerns over the safety of the Labour Party, LP, presidential candidate, Peter Obi. Kanayo O Kanayo disclosed that Nigerians should watch out because Obi would soon be arrested. He alleged that some people are conspiring against the LP flag bearer, adding that he feels like something fishy is about to happen.
Some of you must have heard Peter Obi travels alone. No, because there are people, I don't need them in Abuja. I give you an example. If I are taking police from Waka to Abuja, there might be about 12, 15 security men. And then each time I go, let me use today's pricing. One ticket one way is about 30-something thousand. Coming back is 30-something thousand. I found out that I can talk to the IG then Onovo. I said, Onovo, when I'm in Abuja, give me 3 policemen. The other person, give me 2. When I'm going, I give them 5,000, which is not up to the ticket of one person going.
Fellow Nigerians, just cutting waste can change the economy of our nation for good.
Fellow Nigerians, I want to thank you very much. I had posted I don't want any birthday celebration because of the mood of our country right now, which is not celebration for anybody.
In an Instagram post, the veteran actor said, Peter Gregory Obi will soon be arrested, watch out. The conspiracy is brewing, you want to bet. The All Progressives Congress, APC, Presidential Campaign Council, had called for Obi's arrest for allegedly inciting violence. Tinubu's spokesman, Bayo Onanuga, accused Obi of making inflammatory statements following his loss at the presidential election.
And so on. I want to appreciate you for, I don't know whether it's a man or woman, but the offer of money is not what I want. So asking for my account number, no, but I appreciate. Now, be that as it may, what has gone on is I have refused to make other videos of what transpired on Saturday last week. I wanted my principal, Bishop Bidobi, to make his statement, and then we can take it from there. And where he stands is where we stand. We will go to court. As a lawyer, I'll wear my wig. We'll go to court. This is not the kind of elections we want by an INEC that will say, if you feel aggrieved, go to court. Nigeria must not go this way. We must stop settling our elections through the courts. When the people decide, they decide. They have not decided. And as long as they have not decided, we just hope that when the Nigerians decide, nobody will decide. Because taking our elections from the court is what has kept one of our states. You know who I'm talking about today.
Thank you.